Hi everyone! Today we are at St. Francis Junior Grammar School for the commissioning of our latest project under the School Build program. We just completed the renovation of a library space that is going to serve over 850 students present and many more to come in the future. This project is made a success through our long-standing and fruitful collaboration with GardaWorld. Come with me, let's go see.
Wow, this is really impressive. The Special Foundation, very well done. You know, for me, libraries are normally forgotten spaces, but when it's reborn and rebirthed like this, you know, to reflect the experience that kids want to have, it generates that curiosity, imagination in them, and it goes a long way in their development and their learning and all that. So, guys, well done.
Before, there were about maybe 3 tables and 4 chairs.
Wow.
Yeah, for that kind of population. Again, I mentioned over 800 kids. There was no functional library. So we did the fans, the tiling on the floor that you see, the tables, the tables, the chairs, the shelves. Again, remember I told you when we came here last year, we donated over 500 books and there was nowhere to keep it.
Absolutely.
So we have enough shelves that can now take books.
Hi kids, how are you? You happy? God bless you all. Well done. Hello, ma. Yinka, country director of GardaWorld.
Mrs. Adebode Odeneye.
It's a pleasure.
The principal of St. Francis Junior Grammar School.
It's a pleasure, ma.
Thank God for this project. In fact, this place was not like this before. Government gave it to us just like a class.
Yeah.
So we just, okay, this is a library. Let's just name it a library. So thank God to our former principal, the facilitator of this project. I know our students, they will be encouraged to come and read now. Because majority of them, they don't have time to read at home. When they get home like this, they go fish and go fishing. Yeah. So maybe some of them would love to stay back and read. But now, during school or when they are free in the class, they will be able to come here and read.
Thank you again, Special Foundation, obviously in collaboration with GardaWorld. We believe in the power of literacy, learning, and equal opportunities. Hence the collaboration that we've come today to help the school renovate its facility, and we intend to do more. It's part of our social impact, and we believe we're working with a professional outfit. Prior to now, we've done a series of other projects, and I'm sure that we'll go a long way in making the remarkable change that we so desire.